Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the HUAWEI CLOUD online conference. Fighting COVID-19 through the power of technology to protect our societies is the theme of today's event. My name is Joe Kelly, and I will be your moderator for today. Please welcome our first speaker of the conference, please Deng Tao, President of Global Markets for HUAWEI CLOUD. Welcome.
Thank you very much, John Kelly. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thank you very much for attending the HUAWEI CLOUD online conference. I've just checked the latest situation of pandemic. So far, nearly 1 million cases has been confirmed, with more than 40,000 deaths. And the number is increasing every day. These are not just numbers. These are our beloved friends and families. The global coronavirus pandemic is taking our people's lives and is changing the way we work and learn. Today, we will release 3 key solutions to help you fight the coronavirus. My name is Deng Tao. I am responsible for HUAWEI CLOUD Global Market. Facing the global coronavirus pandemic, saving more lives and keeping education and our work lives going is our top priority. We are facing 4 major challenges first. How can we quickly detect virus to control this spread of this pandemic? Second, we need to provide support to help doctors quickly confirm COVID-19 cases. Third, a large number of schools and universities are now closed, but students can still continue their education online. Fourth, a large number of employees can only work from home. Cloud services are needed to make this possible and help enterprises get through these difficult times. Let's watch a video about HUAWEI CLOUD practice for helping various industries fighting the virus.
As COVID-19 is spreading, HUAWEI CLOUD is working with countries around the world to fight this epidemic. In Philippines, we are using an AI image screening system to help doctors screen for COVID-19.
We call it the AI COVID-19 CT scan analysis. And a friend of mine from HUAWEI gave me a call and explained to me that they were able to develop the system. In a matter of 7 minutes, you will be able to determine the result.
In Ecuador, our AI screening diagnosis system is assisting the diagnosis. Our engineers worked on site for 14 consecutive hours to connect the HUAWEI CLOUD AI system to the IT system of the hospital.
Muchas gracias al apoyo de la empresa HUAWEI. Hoy somos el primer país de América Latina en contar con un sistema auxiliar de diagnóstico en inteligencia artificial.
In Singapore, we work with our partner to offer a codeless development platform, helping local SMEs to jumpstart their business continuity.
At the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, I found that many of my customers and other organizations are still using pen and paper to register their visitors. With the support from HUAWEI CLOUD, we rolled out a free-to-use and ready-to-use COVID-19 management site. The site contains ready-to-use forms for visitor login and contact tracing when necessary, and systems for employee temperature monitoring and illnesses reporting so that follow-up actions can be made quickly. Thank you, HUAWEI CLOUD, for supporting this initiative.
In Argentina, AI and infrared sensors are used for non-contact temperature measurement at airports. They are also being used in other crowded places like hospitals to improve diagnostic efficiency. In China, we are conducting DNA sequencing on the cloud to look for drugs that might be effective against the virus. We are also using HUAWEI CLOUD WeLink for telemedicine and epidemic management. We are also working with partners to provide solutions in Latin America, Asia Pacific, Middle East, Africa, and Europe to help them fight this epidemic. We will stand as one fighting this epidemic until it is completely eradicated.
HUAWEI Cloud and AI is here to support you. We are offering more than 200 public cloud and AI services in more than 150 countries and regions. Since January 2020, we have provided services for more than 100 medical institutions and over 1,000 schools in China and abroad to help them fight the coronavirus. Now, we are proud to release the anti-COVID-19 website, where we will share our experience fighting the coronavirus with all countries and regions around the world. Here, I would like to introduce 3 key solutions. These solutions can benefit the people of any country around the world. The first one is the AI healthcare services. It plays a great role in virus detection and drug analysis. It can help doctors quickly diagnose the virus faster. The second one is cloud-based online education, which allows students to continue their study online. The third one is enterprises on cloud, which will help your company maintain smooth operations during these difficult times. You can use these solutions from remote office and staff management. HUAWEI Cloud provides solutions, AI healthcare, online education, and enterprises on cloud to support your fight against the virus. Now, we offer free AI healthcare services for medical institutions, free online education services for schools and universities with limited time offer. We also offer a 12-month free package for enterprises in need of support. You can use 10 popular cloud products for 1,500 hours for free. Please find more details on our webpage and apply online whenever needed. Next, I'd like to introduce the HUAWEI Cloud AI Healthcare Service. It provides a professional AI platform to accelerate AI research and application development in 3 scenarios. Scenario 1, AI-powered genomic analysis reduces the time needed to test for the virus from hours to just minutes. Scenario 2, AI-assisted medical imaging can help doctors confirm COVID-19 cases in seconds. Scenario 3, AI helps to discover effective drugs in hours. To assist in fighting coronavirus, we offer our technical expertise in AI to all research and health institutes. Currently, HUAWEI Cloud AI Health Services is serving over 100 hospitals worldwide to fight the coronavirus. With AI-assisted screening and diagnosis, the entire process now takes only 30 seconds. The sensitivity is 0.99, and the specificity is 0.90. This solution is great for regions lacking medical experience and where it takes a long time to screen for the virus. HUAWEI Cloud AI-assisted CT screening system is highly praised by the mayor of Baguio City in Philippines. The Baguio official news office gave a briefing on this progress on Facebook. The mayor said, Previously, CT screening solution was taking 4 to 5 days. However, HUAWEI Cloud AI imaging system outputs CT results in seconds, and the doctor can now provide diagnosis results in less than 7 minutes. Now there are more than 7 hospitals are deploying HUAWEI solutions to help patients. HUAWEI and our partner HUAWEI Medical have launched the AI diagnosis system. This system has been deployed in more than 20 hospitals and has gained valuable hands-on experience. In Ecuador, the system was deployed within 14 hours at the General Hospital south of Quito, which was the first cloud AI screening site in South America. The first 5 suspected coronavirus cases were detected within 1 minute, and all the lung lesions accurately located. Otto Sonhorzer, Ecuador's vice president, as you saw in the video, expressed his appreciation for HUAWEI's contribution to Ecuador in helping Ecuador become the first South American country with an AI-assisted screening system. Secondly, we work with partners such as uLearning and Bamboo to provide online learning solutions for schools and universities around the world. In Indonesia, as an example, we helped University Jakarta start the Study Must Not Stop campaign after the coronavirus outbreak. Cloud-based online education had transformed teaching and learning alike. Students interact more actively with teachers, stimulating more creativity. Third, enterprises on cloud. For enterprise, the most important thing is to keep business running, ensure staff work safely and fluently, and strengthen IT services. This is the right time for use cloud. HUAWEI Cloud joined hands with partners to offer solutions such as SAP Cloud, e-commerce, website, media to ensure business continuity. We also offer solutions such as OA, email, virtual desktop to help employees to work from home. Our team will support your IT system migration and backup. HUAWEI's vision and mission is to bring digital to every person, home, and organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. Last year, HUAWEI launched a corporate program named Tech for All. This program aims to help accelerate the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals with ICT. Tech for All believes that for the world to grow, develop, and transform, everyone is entitled to benefit from 4 high-impact domains: equity in education, inclusive healthcare, sustainable environment, and economic development. We believe that no one should be left behind in the digital era. As a private sector, we are dedicated to doing more. We are working closely with non-profits and the intergovernmental organizations to overcome many challenges faced while fighting the pandemic. We join their initiatives to fight COVID-19. We provide world-class cloud and AI technologies and dedicated technical support to those organizations. Together with our partners, we will bring medical and educational expertise to those in need. We are incredibly grateful for the work non-profits and IGOs are doing to drive mission impact every day during this difficult time. Let's stand as one. We are committed to providing high-quality cloud and AI services to our customers. We fight together with our partners. At HUAWEI, we prioritize customers' privacy and always comply with all local laws and regulations. We are here to offer help. Let's stand as one to fight the virus and save our people's life and work. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dang. Now it's my great pleasure to introduce on video from Abu Dhabi, Chao Nan, who is the R&D Director for Health within Huawei Cloud. Please welcome Chao Nan. Thank you.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests. Thank you very much for attending our launch event. My name is Chao Nan. I am in Abu Dhabi now to support our partners to fight against the coronavirus here. It's my pleasure to introduce Huawei Cloud EI Health. EI Health is a healthcare AI platform we have developed and have played an important role in supporting the healthcare industry in China to fight against the COVID-19. In 2018, President Xi announced Huawei's full stack of scenario AI strategy to the world. In 2019, President Hu announced the AI strategy is already landing. We have the most powerful Ascend 310 AI processor for AI inference and Ascend 910 AI processor for AI training. The Mansible deep learning framework is announced to the open source in Huawei Developer Conference in 2020 in the last week. And the Model S AI platform is already evolved to the professional version for the enterprise use. All those achievements comprise Huawei's enterprise intelligence, EI, to be the faithful partner for enterprise intelligent transformation. Today, I want to introduce EI Health, the healthcare AI platform from Huawei Cloud EI. In healthcare industry, AI is growing very fast. EI Health wants to provide our clients with an end-to-end AI-powered platform to accelerate AI research, to accumulate AI assets on the platform, to transform the research achievements into applications. And at last, the most important thing is to make democratize AI. With the help of AutoML technology, everyone could use AI as a powerful tool into their business. EI Health currently covers three fundamental areas. They are genomics, medical imaging, and drug discovery. To fight against the coronavirus, what kind of technology can we use? There are three steps in combating the virus: virus research, virus detection, and treatment. For coronavirus research, we need to understand what kind of enemy we are fighting on. To do that, we need to use the next generation sequencing technology to get the virus genome sequence. We need to use X-ray or electron microscope or computer simulation to identify the virus protein 3D structure. We also need to do the phylogeny analysis to understand the virus evolution. Based on intensively virus research, we are able to detect the virus and find a treatment. In the past 3 months, EI Health supports SIPS Institute from Chinese Academy of Sciences to build the one-click cloud service for viral genome analysis. We also support NextOmics to build the cloud pipeline for rapid COVID-19 test kit. The second step is to detect the virus. When the virus genome is available, we could design PCR primers against the virus genome to experimentally identify the virus. The next generation sequencing technology could also be used to detect the virus genome more precisely. COVID-19 patients usually develop severe pneumonia. Therefore, it's also important to detect the lung lesions using the CT image. EI Health has supported GIDH Institute from Chinese Academy of Sciences in COVID-19 CT image AI modeling. We also collaborated with Huazhong University of Science and Technologies to build the CT-based patient screening service, which could influence the CT images in seconds. The last thing we need to do is to find a treatment for COVID-19. Researchers are working on two directions for the treatment: vaccines and small molecular drugs. For vaccines, researchers have been successfully used vaccines against many viruses before. It involved a lot about technologies. And for small molecular drugs, researchers also have developed a lot of drugs target RNA virus. It's important to see if those drugs also works for coronavirus. Both AI and cloud computing could be used to accelerate this progress. In January 2020, we set up a joint research team with professors from Huazhong University of Science Technologies, Imperial College London, and Chinese Academy of Sciences. We carry on the ultra-large-scale in silico screen for the virus protein against all the clinical drugs and identify 5 promising drugs for the future experimental validation. Start from January 2020, EI Health is collaborating with our partners in China and combating with COVID-19. The achievements have covered genomic analysis, medical imaging, and drug discovery. They are listed in the antivirus section on the homepage. Now that it's a critical moment for the global to combating against COVID-19, we announced the EI Health Antivirus Service, a unified place for virus research, virus detection, and antiviral drug discovery. In the virus research module, we provide a lot of popular research tools and pipelines to analyze the virus, such as virus detection, virus genome assembly, and virus evolution analysis. This demo shows us how to identify coronavirus sequence from the next generation sequencing data. This analysis usually takes hours, and we accelerated it into 10 minutes, powered by the HUAWEI Kunpeng chip. The second demo shown here shows us the AI CT patient screen service. This AI model was collaborated with Huazhong University of Science and Technologies and achieved the sensitivity of 99%, specificity of 19%. The segmentation depth for the lung lesion is about 82%. This service has been used in over 60 hospitals in domestic. The inference speed is reduced to second level, powered by HUAWEI uesd chips. The third demo shows us the in silico drug screen service, which makes the researchers easily and quickly carry out large-scale in silico drug screen. Powered by the HUAWEI Kunpeng chip and uesd chips, we could accelerate the in silico drug screen from months to hours. Now that EI Health antivirus services have been deployed to HUAWEI Cloud Singapore and available for the global healthcare partners, During the epidemic, EI Health offers free package to hospitals, institutes, and companies that are working on antivirus R&D in genomics, medical imaging, or antiviral drug discovery. We welcome more cooperation from across the globe. Let's work together to fight against the epidemic. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jonan. Now it's my great pleasure to introduce Mark Chen. Mark is the Director for Global Business Partnerships within HUAWEI Cloud. Please welcome Mark.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As we know, COVID-19 is now a global outbreak of disease. We need more organization, more enterprise, and more people stand together to fight with it. Today, we would like to launch anti-COVID-19 partner program to recruiting technology partners to join us. In last 3 months, 100 plus partners has worked together with HUAWEI to provide the joint solution for 10,000 organizations and enterprises in China. We have built joint solutions such as WorkSafe, remote office, enterprise assistance, smart healthcare, online education, and AI support solutions. Together with partners, we help organizations to detect risk cloud and provide AI healthcare to help hospitals for disease. We offer remote office solution for enterprise to work from home to continue their business. And we provide online education for students to continue their classes. Now we want to bring the solutions and experience to international. We plan to recruit 50 plus partners around the world, fighting against COVID-19 in 100 cities and regions, assisting 1,000 enterprises and organizations around the world. We will focus on 5 domains to build a joint solution. The 5 domains are remote office, AI support, enterprise assistance, smart healthcare, and online education. So any ISV have solutions alike can join us. Now we officially launch HUAWEI Cloud Anti-COVID-19 Partner Program. We hope partners from Asia, Middle East, Europe, Russia, Latin America, and other regions can join us. Each partner can get up to 30,000 copies, and the customer can get 50 days free trial of the joint solutions. When partner joins the program, the joint solution will be released on HUAWEI Cloud Marketplace. HUAWEI Cloud Marketplace can provide one-stop service experience. Our customers around the world can easily subscribe the service online. At the end, we hope we can stand together to fight COVID-19 successfully. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This brings our online event to an end. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your interest. Thank you for your questions. Also, please join me in thanking today's speakers for their insight and their commitment. Together, we can beat COVID-19. HUAWEI Cloud and HUAWEI as a company is committed to working with all of our partners around the world to find innovative solutions to mitigate and minimize the impact of this virus. Please stay safe, follow the guidelines, and together let's beat COVID-19. Thank you very much.